Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we have an incredible project to work on today. So for years, I'm talking the better part of a decade, people have asked me how they can use their OEM color on their car as a base for pearls. Meaning you have a blue OEM car and you want to put the pearls right on top of that. A yellow OEM car, pearls on top of that. And we have had no solution until now. Right in front of me is our BMW 3 Series. And its OEM color is a beautiful silver. And if you take a look at this car, you'll notice it is not glossy. This doesn't look like OEM clear coat. Why is that? Well, that's because we have a system now where you can not only stealth out or matte out your OEM color, but you can then use your OEM color to apply pearls right on top. This car has 4 gallons of Dip Armor Mid-Coat on it. Dip Armor Mid-Coat is a clear base that can be used as a standalone if you desire to use it that way. So we got Dip Armor Mid-Coat down on this BMW, and we're going to use that silver OEM paint as a base for a pearl. So how are we going to do this? Well, of course, if you're going to do a pearl on top of an OEM base and you want that OEM color to play a role in the end result, a white powder or interference pearl would be a great choice. And what's better than a brand new white powder hypershift for this project? This is ZGM. It's different than all the other white powder hypershifts because this baby goes from a deep blue to a deep purple. This entire project has me pumped up. ZGM over OEM silver on the BMW. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. The car looks phenomenal. I'm so glad we finally have a solution for a project like this. Now, I know this is going to be a popular project that a ton of you guys are going to do, so we made it as simple and straightforward as possible. In the description box below, there are links to 2 brand new style car kits. If you want to stealth out or matte out your OEM color, there's a kit below. It includes the accessories that normally come in a car kit and the appropriate number of Dip Armor Mid-Coat gallons for your size vehicle. If you want to do what we did today and apply pearl over your OEM color, there's a kit for that as well. Of course, it includes the accessories, the Dip Armor mid-coat gallons, and a couple gallons of Dip Pearl top coat for your pearls. The only thing the kit doesn't include is the pearls, because we have so many to choose from. So you're going to add those to your cart separate, but if you look in the product description of the kit, it gives you some guidelines on how many bags or how many grams of pearl you may want to try for your project. So you know what to do. We're taking this car outside right now. I want you to rate this car in the comment section, 1 to 5. 1, not really feeling it. 5, you absolutely love it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the project as much as I did. It's Fonzie. I'll see you guys on the next video.